do a video, and I'm playing blox. I'm already really good, but not that good still, a noob. But I've got, I'm right now I'm equipped rubber, because this is one I've got. I'm just defeating these quests in Skylands. So yeah, one day I hope that I get to be able to be a pro at blox. Because I'm not even in the second C. Most YouTubers are in the thirds. So yeah. But yeah, I'm just doing this quest. And rubber fruit is actually really good. I thought it'd be really bad, but it's actually surprisingly so good. By the way, I've got this fruit permanent. Yeah, I've got a permanent fruit. Didn't even realise I was losing health. Sheesh. I was losing a lot of health. I have 810 health, which may look good, but yeah, it's not that good. I just increased my defense on stats. See? But I'm probably going to have rubber feet for a very long time. This is just episode of 1 of blox. So yeah, I'm just chilling nearly. My first video of blox. Don't worry, I'm still going to do gorilla tag videos. I'm going to do all kinds of videos. Forgive me if it takes very long. It just takes very long to upload videos that aren't on VR or that aren't on VR. So I've got a lot of videos planned. Like, forgive me if you liked the videos where I'm playing, but yeah, I'm not really doing that at the moment. Yeah, I'm not really doing that at the moment. I'm just doing game videos. But bro, you can hit some crazy combos with rubber. Let's start talking about blox, because if I haven't mentioned, blox is my favourite game. It's just very good. I just like it so much. One day I'm going to be a pro. This is my Roblox icon. But yeah. I'm actually quite good at blox. It's just not good as, pros. Let's see what's in the chat. Nothing. And yes, I do play Roblox a lot. I might play some other games soon, one day, but I'm just not right now. I'm just not right now. So there's going to be quite a lot of blox videos. Just that these videos take a long time to upload. That's why. So forgive me if this comes out like in a few months. Even though I'm actually on holiday right now. That's why I'm not doing a bunch of videos. It's summer holidays, so I'm doing a lot of holidays at the minute, but this is like the final one. keep losing so much energy by just running around. Which is kind of funny. Nope. I couldn't use my abilities for a sec. Boom! Take that, Dark Master. You're gonna be toast in a minute. Yes, I got a new ability. Just increasing my stats. It says I'm a noob, that's why. I said it, I'm a noob, but I'm still quite good. If you know official Hyper Duty, I can beat him in a fight, but he's like a bigger blox. He's better at block suits, but he probably won't do a block suits video. He might, but he does play block suits, Hyper Duty. I just want to get to the next island. I want to fight some things. I'm just going to keep up to defeat these guys at the moment. So yeah, it's only a short video of me just talking about block suits. But don't worry, I will do some interesting block suit videos. But that's time to just talk about block suits. Let's see all the abilities I have on rubber. I'm just going to give it like an out of 10. I had a lot of things. For the ice food, dark food. Callan is really good though. Ghost food. I have a bunch of foods. Smash does so much damage. Not that much actually, but so that's my new ability. I did not see that. Oh my! That's so fun to use. How much damage does it do? Bro, I'm just doing some crazy things at the moment. Like, bro, just combos and combos. Where is he? How do you use slingshot? No! I did not even focus on my health. Mostly I just don't focus on my health. So yeah, I told you.